Hi guys, how are you? Today is our topic to implement models in Django. So for that, I am just create a model and I am creating a class with name member. I am inheriting this class from models.model class and I'm we have members of this class first name and last name. तो मैंने क्या किया है, मॉडल्स को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए models.py के अंदर एक क्लास क्रिएट की जिसके अंदर मैंने एक मेंबर नेम की क्लास रखी जिसको मैंने इनहेरिट किया models.model क्लास से। इस क्लास के दो मेंबर हैं, फर्स्ट नेम और लास्ट नेम, दोनों के अंदर टेक्स्ट फील्ड है, टेक्स्ट डेटा इनके पास स्टोर होगा जिनकी लेंथ 240 है। So both first and last name is set up to have a maximum of 240 length. So we have a SQLite database. As I show you, we have SQLite database with name db.sqlite3. When we create the Django project, we got an empty SQLite database. Till now, this is empty, no data in this database. This is empty when we create a project. So when we create the Django project, we got an empty SQLite database. जब हमने Django का प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था तो उस टाइम हमने जो डेटाबेस हमें मिली वो empty है, खाली है। It was created in the my_tennis_club, as you see in this folder, my_tennis_club, the project folder. This is the root project folder. As you see, this is our app folder and this is our project folder, but this is the root folder and has the file name, as you see, db.sqlite3. By default, all models created in the Django, as you see, all these models by default Django is created in the Django project will be created as tables in the database. All models, this by default, all models created Django project will be created as tables in the database, as you see. तो by default Django में जो मॉडल्स बिल्ट इन हैं by default उसकी मदद से ये जितने भी आपको टेबल्स नज़र आ रही है उनकी मदद से by default जो मॉडल्स बने हुए हैं उनकी मदद से ये इस डेटाबेस के अंदर ये टेबल्स बन चुके हैं। सो अभी तक हमने मॉडल्स बना लिए है। जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है, नाउ व्हेन वी हैव डिस्क्राइब्ड ए मॉडल, as you see, when we described a model in the models.py file, in this file models.py file, we must run a command to actually create the table in the database. So we have to navigate to the, let me stop my server, we have to navigate to my_tennis_club folder and run the command python manage.py make migrations and then members. So python manage.py make migration members. So let me run this command first for you. Did you mean migrations? Let me migrations. This is not migration, make migrations. Check, please check guys the spelling. Members. Let me run this. Create model member. As you see, I am successfully created a model member in the database. Let me understand this point. Django creates a file. As you see the output, Django create a file describing the changes and store the file in the migrations folder. As you see, we have a migrations folder here, and Django creates a file describing the changes and store the file in this folder, migrations folder. So let me open this file to show you what are the changes created. As you see, member, Migrations are create model and name member. Guys, note that Django inserts an ID field of your table, as you see, but we just create two fields of this member model, but Django by default create ID field for your table, for our table members, which is an auto increment number. First record gets the value 1, the second record 2, and so on. This is the default behavior of Django. You can override it by describing your own ID field. So if we want to override this ID, then we have to describe our own ID field. Now we have a member table in our database. Let me show this. As you see, we have a member sc members.member. I have to insert some data, then this will show here. I have ID, first name and last name. So member table is created in the database. So you can view the SQL statement that were executed from the migration above. All for this we have a command. Let me run this command for you to show SQL. Python py SQL migrate, and the app name is members, and the migration number, as you see, this is 0001 is our migration number, 001. So let me run this to show you. As you see, I am getting the SQL command create table members underscore member, ID integer not null, primary key, auto increment, first name varchar 214 not null, last name varchar not null. So in this way you will see how the SQL migrate command is working with the name of migration number. So this is enough for today. If any doubt until now, please comment it. I am here to solve your problems. Thanks for watching.